Where did you go on holiday last year?
Well, I plan to go to Egypt. Usually, I just go on holiday in Britain, but last year, I decided to do something special. I saved money for a long time, and finally, I had enough money. I was really excited when I booked the trip.
Who did you go with?
Well, I hoped to go with a friend. I didn't want to travel alone. I asked lots of people to come with me, but they didn't have enough money, or they wanted to go somewhere else. So I went on my own.
What kind of accommodation did you stay in?
I didn't have enough money for a nice hotel, so I stayed in guest houses. Actually, I think the guest houses were nicer than the hotels. They were comfortable and they were in interesting parts of the city. The owners were very kind. They gave me information about places to visit and helped me get around.
Where did you buy food?
Well, the owners at the guest house told me to get food from the market. They said the local dishes there are delicious. But my guidebook said that local food can make you sick, and I was worried about that. I didn't want to get sick on holiday. So on the first night, I ate in a European restaurant. I thought it was safer than the market, but I got sick anyway.
Were you sick for a long time?
No, luckily, just for a day. I just stayed in bed and drank water and ate a little rice. I felt better the day after.
What was your favorite part of the holiday?
Well, the historic sites were wonderful, of course, but they were very busy. Actually, I preferred taking boat trips on the River Nile. It was peaceful there,